Yeah, and we don't. Shit cast. Really? Look at this.
When you want. You gotta wait.
Yeah, we'll wait from. Yeah, no, it's alright. As soon as the set stops, we'll cross it.
Now we're safe. Now we're safe.
Here we go. Whoa.
Once again,
Shit. Have a good look at these.
yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna go this way.
We'll be able to go all the way down.
I think.
Well, yeah.
Well, let's go in here. Let's check a few casts in this area now. What do you reckon? Let's get a little It's quite small. And this is where we are. Yay! Good morning, everyone, and welcome to another adventure. Yay! Yeah, and we don't. Oh, all hooked. Sorry, mate. Fall hooked this one. Nah, it's pretty small.
Sure, my dog. So do you still think there's a
Oh. Yeah, we're on. Oh yeah.
Can we keep going?
And they just keep biting. Yay! Oh, look at these fish. Yeah, wait, mate. I'm gonna put it back in the water. Just a second. Oh, easy. Here we go. That's the way to start the morning. We had just like over an hour drive to get here. Tide just slightly going out, and to be honest, maybe I've chucked like 10-15 casts and I've got 3 fish already, so that's a really good start of the day. Yeah, I'm so excited for this one, eh? So excited. See you in a second. I want again. Easy. Oh wow, this one was never gonna get out of here, eh? Look at that. Ah. Oh, he's still staring at me like, what? It just happened. Yeah. See ya, mate.
Okay. Now, you said you promised that you have everything here, right?
Yeah.
Can I open up?
Yeah.
There was a promise. What is in here? Ah. Oh, ouch.
Empty promises. There's just empty promises. So this is what's going on right now. I'm fishing with a 7-gram jig. Like, oh, metal jig, come on, stop right in front of it. I don't know if you can see it or not. Lecio is back there using bite, so he's fishing with squid.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's fishing with squid. Let's see who's gonna catch a good size eating fish first. Yeah. So I think there's a stingray just in front of me digging in for some crabs and stuff. Let's just try and get closer to that ray. Wait. No stingray. Oh, you blind. Seems to be like a small bank just ahead. We're gonna walk onto that bank and just try and cast right in front of it. Maybe it's a deep gutter in there. It will be holding some fish, we hope. That was alright. It can't get better than this, everyone. So have a good look at where we are. There's no one around. Just two blokes, fishing rods, a big ocean for us to catch some fish on. Got the barbecue in the ute, and that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna catch some fish. Already got five. And I just found out they were pike. Not good eating at all. Or maybe they are but not that safe eating anyways. And here now we're just in this bank. We're gonna try and catch some whiting. Once again, I got that killer. And let's get into it, eh? See you in a second. Okay. Yeah, just these rocks here. Let's see if they're holding anything. Come on. Okay, a few casts in this area and doesn't seem to be holding much fish. What I'm gonna try and do is just cross this spot onto that sandbank just over there. Yeah, let's see and cast right into the open waters. Yeah, we'll see how it goes. I'll absolutely love what I'm doing right now. So just crossing to try and reach onto that side. Current is so strong here right now. So much water movement. It's not even funny. Yes. Oh, a fish. There's a lot of small fish. Hey, fishy fish. Okay. Now we're on. Look at this. Sandbank. Open ocean. Here we go. There's Lecio. Not sure if you guys can see him or not. He's just there fishing close to the ute. How nice of a place this is. Yeah. Not bad, eh? Not bad at all for a Friday, I'll say. Oh. Let's try and cast now into this area. Just here, see if there's anything holding. I think we're on. Really? Look at this! Shit! Oh! Why am I gonna remove that fish from there? What? Mate! No, there's a dart, yeah. Just hold the camera, please. Yeah, thanks, let's...
Like this? The other guy has to still watch. Because I made the buddy scream.
Oh wow, there is a cool fish. Look at this one.
Trevally.
Nah, I reckon it's a dart fish.
There was
7 fish, let's see.
Huh?
7. I won again. Hey, Lecio. Got another one, mate. How good is this? Oh, sorry. How cool are these little fish? Beautiful. Yeah, I do believe they're a dart. Not 100% sure. No, gonna have to research that. Should have done it before coming here, but oh well. We're here now. Okay, so far with this small jig, 7-gram jig, I've caught 9 fish. So 6 pike, 2 dart. Well, I believe they're a dart. I'm gonna have to check that one out once I get home. And 1 small puffer fish, smaller than the jig itself. So let's see now in this spot if we get any luck. Lecio is the funnest guy you can go on an adventure with. He just got snagged right after. Oi? He just got snagged right after. Oh, they caught something, eh? Falling off the rocks. So much fun. See, there's some guys there, they just got some fish. Been pulling like a decent fight.
What's that?
I don't know. Think I won. Yeah, first cast another fish. Hey, Lecio, got another one. Oh my. So much fun. Easy. Easy, right? Cute. Everywhere we go, you see plastic. Come on, guys, you know better than this. Look, plastic. No, it's from a balloon. There's plastic everywhere. Oh, look, there's a big straw. There we go. Not much, but it is something. Let's chuck it here in the corner. You got a bite? Nah, yeah. Same. Let's go to another spot.
Let's hold.
This is it, guys. So we've been fishing for a few hours, caught quite a few fish, but nothing good to keep. And I'm not gonna lie, I was expecting like to be a little bit more successful, but just now we just found the spot here that looks absolutely amazing. So let's see if this corner here holds any fish, and if not, don't you worry about that, we got that covered. Hang on, Lecio! Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Woo! And that, everyone, that's a whiting. That's exactly what we're after. Yay! Our first whiting of the trip. Oh, I'm so excited. We got one whiting in the esky. You know, we need like 5 or 6 more. Here we go. Yes! Small change in our setup. Now we're gonna take this 5 gram to see if he gets any more whiting. We're like casting with a 7 gram. We did catch a lot of fish, like a lot of. Oh, is it a crab? Just got a. Hey, crab. Yeah, just got a big crab there on the ground. Yeah, we got a lot of fish, but we need whiting. Whiting, because we've got one, and one doesn't feed anything. Okay. And that's it. That's as fishing is done. Got 12, 13 fish, but who's counting? Who is counting? Only kept 1. Should have kept more. I know, my mistake. I only kept 1, so yeah, that won't be a feed for any of us, unfortunately. But we still have good use for that fish. And now it's time to get going. We prepared a little surprise for ourselves. Be with you guys in a second.
Once again, I thought about a little piece, but
yeah, this wasn't the spot. And there is something really, really special. Friendship and beers.
yeah,
We did catch a few fish. We only kept 1, not enough for us to eat, so fish and chips.
Fish and chips.
Fish and chips at the pub it is.
that's it. Cheers. Very good.
Now we're ready. Fish and chips, nice burger,
Burger
And-
and beer.
beer. Cheers. Ah, and that's a life.